Already zoomed in. That's a creek down there. It's dried up. Up here in Ohio, it's been hot and it's rained, but mainly it's been hot, so yeah. And here's a car behind me. I'm doing that just to be a dick, because I know it's going to fuck up the shot. Gross. Bag of cat food or kitty litter. It smells like kitty litter. Where? Hill slid since the last time I was here, and I didn't get to upload those videos. Showing my apartment in the next film. Terry, thank God it's been hot for like a long time, so water won't flow. It'll rain a little bit, run, and then evaporate. Look at the basic point. 3 blocks away is the end of the nature preserve, and it all looks the same. But you gotta get an inside shot for it to look different. That concludes this film.